Hello and welcome to the PTBoard tutorial video for Student Directory. In this video, we will walk through the different features of PTBoard's Student Directory. As an administrator, if you do not have student and parent information, please ask parents to fill out this information under the My Student tab. Displayed now is the parent view for the Student Directory. Parents only have access to the Student Directory and My Student tab. Parents can click the My Student tab in order to add a student to the directory by clicking Add a Student and filling out the form accordingly. If parents would not like student information to show up in the directory, they can uncheck the checkbox here. Once parents submit the student information, administrators can review and approve it, allowing the students to appear in the student directory. The pending list consists of the students who need to be reviewed for approval. However, if you do have parent and student information for the directory, administrators also have the ability to upload student directories themselves using the Upload Directory tab. Simply download the spreadsheet template using the link in step 1. When filling out the spreadsheet, please take note of the bulleted items. Do not change the columns of the template, and make sure to fill out the student name and one parent name and email at a minimum. Also, PTBoard will automatically list the students in alphabetical order by last name, so it is not necessary to enter all students in alphabetical order in the spreadsheet. If you would like to create separate directories based on class or grade, you can prepare a spreadsheet for that specific class or grade. If you would like to upload students from multiple classes at once, you can also type in each student's class or grade in the last column of the spreadsheet. Select the corresponding answer in the next step. If you did choose to create a class or group specific directory, you can select that class or group here. Click here to add or edit classes and grades. Next, please select whether or not you would like invitation emails to be sent to all new users. PTBoard will automatically send emails to the parents in the spreadsheet if those parents are not yet members of your school on PTBoard. However, if you would not like to do this, please click the checkbox here. You may also choose whether you would like the new data to replace the old data or to merge with the old data. The last step is to choose the directory spreadsheet from your computer. Once you have clicked it, upload with the green Upload button. Of course, if you want to double check anything, you can always click the back button. Now the student directory section will be updated with all the new students. The first tab, Student Directory, will display all these students and their information in alphabetical order. You may use the search bar to find specific students or parents by simply entering a student or parent name or a parent email address. Admins are able to edit or remove a student's directory information, and they can also download the student directory as a CSV or PDF file. Once the student directory is ready, admins may open it up to school members. An active school member is not guaranteed student directory access unless administrators would like to grant access to all school members. Admins can click the Who Can View tab to grant student directory access permission. All super admins and operational admins who have the privilege to manage the student directory will also have access to the directory. For other members of your school, you may choose one of 3 options. The first option is to allow everyone in your school to view the directory. The next option is to only allow members who paid their membership fee to view the directory. Lastly, you may choose the custom option and manually select which users you wish to allow access to the directory for. Simply click the switch to the right of a user's name to change their access permission. Thank you for watching. Please check out the directory feature for yourself, and if you have any questions, email us at info@ptboard.com.